Welcome. I created this channel as a safe space, a place where you can tap, breathe, and release stress when life feels overwhelming. Whether you're dealing with anxiety, tension, or the everyday pressures of life, you are not alone here. Each EFT session is designed with care to support your emotional balance, ease, and resilience. If this practice resonates with you, I invite you to subscribe and turn on notifications so a moment of calm is always here when you need it. Thank you for being here. Welcome. Before we begin, I want to remind you that if you haven't watched my EFT Tapping Step-by-Step Beginner's Guide, I encourage you to do so. In that video, I explain why this practice is so effective, why we tap on specific points, and how each point relates to your emotions, your energy, and your body's meridian system. This guide will help you get the most from today's session. For now, I simply invite you to find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed for the next 20 minutes. Allow this time to be just for you. I also want you to know, however you choose to participate is perfect. If you don't feel comfortable speaking the words out loud, you are welcome to just listen and follow along in your own way. I'll hold space for you exactly as you are. This process of healing is layered. Sometimes one tapping session is enough to create a noticeable shift, and other times, especially for deeper or more complex stress or issues, it works like peeling back layers of an onion. Slowly, gently, over time. What matters most is showing up for yourself, because you deserve to live fully without carrying the weight of unnecessary stress, tension, or self-judgment. So as we begin, I invite you to bring to mind the stress or anxiety you'd like to work on today. Allow it to be present without pushing it away. Now, check in with yourself. On a scale from 1 to 10, with 1 being barely noticeable and 10 being completely overwhelming, where would you place this stress right now? Hold that number gently in your mind without judgment. For the setup statement, you're going to be tapping on the fleshy part of the side of the hand between your pinky and your wrist. And as I say the 3 statements with the intentions, you're going to follow along with me in your mind. When you're ready, even though I feel this stress and anxiety right now, I choose to show up for myself with compassion. Even though I feel overwhelmed, I deeply accept myself and my experience in this moment. Even though the stress feels heavy, I am open to release, healing, and a new way of being. Eyebrow. This stress feels so heavy. Side of eye. I feel this tension in my body. Under eye. All this anxiety I've been carrying. Under nose. It feels overwhelming at times. Chin. This stress is weighing on me. Collarbone, you can use 1 hand or 2. My mind feels so busy and unsettled. Underarm. It's hard to let go of these worries. Top of head. All this stress and all this anxiety. Eyebrow. I notice how strong this stress feels. Side of eye, it takes up so much space inside of me. Under eye, all this tension, all this worry. Under nose, it feels exhausting to carry it all. Chin, I feel the weight of my stress right now. Collarbone, this anxious energy inside me. Underarm, it's so hard to quiet my mind. Top of head, this stress and this overwhelm. Eyebrow, this stress is still here. Side of eye, but I do feel a tiny shift. Under eye, I can let a little tension go. Chin, even a small shift matters. Collarbone, I'm open to relief, allowing myself to breathe a little easier, even if it's only for this moment right now. Underarm, I allow a little more ease. And top of head, I'm ready to soften, even just a bit. Eyebrow, I don't have to fix it all right now. Side of eye, I can simply notice this moment. Under eye, I choose to give myself space. Under nose, my breath helps me release a little more. Chin, I feel a little bit more calm in my body. Collarbone, it's safe to pause and breathe. Underarm, I am gently creating space inside. Top of head, with this space, new calm can grow. You're going to pause and take a deep breath. I want you to notice how you feel in your body. And I want you to bring to mind the number that you chose at the beginning. Notice if it has shifted. Maybe it's gone down. Maybe it stayed the same. Or sometimes it can even go up. If your number has increased, know this: it's not a setback. It often means you've tapped into a deeper layer of the stress, one that's been waiting for your attention. That's also a sign of progress. Wherever you are right now is exactly where you're meant to be. When you're ready, we're going to begin again. Eyebrow, I don't have to fix it all right now. Side of eye, I can simply notice this moment. Under eye, I give myself space. Under nose, my breath helps me release. Chin, I feel more calm in my body. Collarbone, it's safe to pause and breathe. Underarm, I am gently creating space inside. Top of head, with this space, new calm can grow. Eyebrow, I release some of this stress now. Side of eye, I choose to invite calm in my body. Under eye, it feels good to create space for ease. Under nose, I welcome more peace into my body and mind. Chin, I am letting my breath guide me. Collarbone, peace is available to me now. Underarm, I open to balance and inner strength. Top of head, I allow myself to feel lighter and calmer. Eyebrow, even though stress may still exist, I know I am safe. Side of eye, I've shown up for myself today. Under eye, I can handle these feelings. Under nose, I am stronger than I realize. Chin, this stress does not define me. Collarbone, I am open to peace within myself. Underarm, it's safe for me to pause and breathe. Top of head, I choose to carry more calm forward. Eyebrow, I honor myself for showing up today. Side of eye, I'm grateful for this small shift. Under eye, I carry this calm forward. Under nose, I can return to this practice anytime. Chin, I am safe and grounded. Collarbone, I deserve peace in mind and body. Underarm, thank you, self, for this healing time. Top of head, I move forward now with calm and strength. Take another deep breath and gently check in with your number again. Has it shifted? Notice what feels different now, even if it's just the smallest change. And write your new number down so you can see the progress that you're making over time. I also encourage you to keep a journal for your EFT practice. Writing down your starting numbers, the thoughts that arise, and the shifts you notice can help you track your healing growth. Over time, you'll see just how much change is possible. Thank you for showing up today for yourself. You are worthy of peace, calm, and freedom from unnecessary stress. I encourage you to spend the next 5 to 10 minutes journaling about what came up for you today. Your thoughts, feelings, physical sensations, or any new awareness. You might also reflect on any emotions that shifted during tapping. Note any changes in your body or your energy. Write down intentions for how you want to carry this calm forward. Record any insights or breakthroughs that surprised you. Or simply express gratitude for showing up today. If you found this session helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone who might benefit. My channel is filled with guided meditations, EFT tapping sessions, and other healing practices that support your emotional and energetic well-being. Take your time with this reflection. You deserve these moments of presence, insight, and self-care. Thank you so much.